So finally I purchased the new iPhone 17. Today we are going to unbox it, take a look at everything that comes inside the box, then we'll do a full review, test out its feature and cameras, and finally share our overall experience with the phone. So make sure you watch until the end. So let's start. This phone comes with a 120Hz anti-reflecting display, which looks great and feels very smooth to use. It also comes with 100% battery health. We'll keep using it over the long term and see how well the battery health holds up. Now let's check out the sound quality. I'll play one of my own YouTube videos to test the speaker and see how they perform. I've opened my channel, so let's play a video and hear how it sounds. The phone also comes with the liquid glass icon. You can fully customize them, and as you can see, they give the interference a very premium and cool look and feel. Finally, let's test the overall smoothness. As you can see, app open and close without any lag. Everything feels incredibly smooth thanks to the 120Hz display on iPhone 17. Let's talk about the camera. The phone features a 48MP main sensor and 48MP ultra-wide sensor, giving you a powerful 48 plus 48MP camera setup. On the front, you get 18MP center stage selfie camera. It delivers excellent selfie quality and keep you perfectly framed during video calls. In my opinion, this is one of the best camera combination available on the 17 series. Now let's talk about the performance. The iPhone 17 is powered by the A90 Bionic chip, which scores over 2 million Antutu, making it one of the most powerful smartphone processors available. To give you an idea of its performance, last year the iPhone 16 Pro Max came with the A18 Pro chip, which was powerful enough to deliver performance capable to Apple's laptop. The A90 Bionic is an upgrade over that, offering even better speed, efficiency, and overall performance. That means you can expect a smooth experience wherever you are gaming, editing videos, multitasking, or using AI. Now let's put it to the test by opening BGMI and checking how many FPS it can deliver during gameplay. So let's start. Now iPhone 17 handle Super Smooth plus 120 FPS, Smooth plus 120 FPS, Balance plus 90 FPS, and HD plus 60 FPS. So let's play a training and let's see how many FPS delivered in training. Now watch the rest of the video without any commentary and decide for yourself whatever this phone is worth buying and whatever it meets your needs. Watch the full video till the end and you'll get a complete idea about its performance, feature, camera, display, gaming and overall user experience. That's it, enjoy the video.
Toma, toma, más. Here we go.